Hello friends, so we have a question on binomial expansion. So we have been given that the value of b is, we have to show that it is 21 and then we have to find the value of x. Before proceeding forward, let us revise what we had learned in the binomial expansion. The expansion of a plus b raised to the power n is something like a raised to the power n plus nc1 a raised to the power n minus 1 b raised to the power 1 plus a raised to the power n minus 2 into b raised to the power 2 into nc2 and so on till b raised to the power n. So the general term, that is trn r plus 1th term, is written as ncr a raised to the power n minus r into b raised to the power r. So we must remember this general term. Let us cross check this. If we put r equals to 0, we get the t equals t1, which is an. If we put r equals to 1, we get t2, which is nc1 a raised to the power n minus 1 b raised to the power n 1 and so on. So in the given question, it is written that x plus 1 raised to the power 7 has expansion of x to the power 7 plus ax6 plus bx5 plus 35x to the power 4 and so on. So the b is coming in the third term. Now to get the third term in this, we put r equals to 2. So we get the third term. Third term would be, and here is 7 c 2 because r is 2 multiplied by x raised to the power 7 minus 2 into 1 square. So the third term is 7c2 into x raised to the power 5. So the 7c2, the value of 7c2 is in this question equals to b. So this will be 7c2 or 7 into 6 by 2 factorial, that is 42 by 2 or 21. Now let us move on to the b part. To solve the b part, we have to see that the third term in the expansion is the mean of second and the fourth term. So the second term t2 is ax to the power 6. The third term is bx to the power 5 and the fourth term is 35x to the power 4. So we have to identify the value of x. The third term is the average. So the t3 is given as the mean, which is t2 plus t4 by 2. So t3 is b. We know the value of b in the previous part. We identified 21 equals to ax to the power 6, b, there is 5x to the power 5 also there, plus 35x to the power 4 divided by 2. Do we know the value of a? A is the second term. So the a will be 7c1 or 7. We can identify the second term by putting r equals to 1 in the general term. Now let us move on to this. Multiplying 2 here, we get 42x to the power 5 equals to 7x to the power 6 plus 35x to the power 4. A is 7. Now we can divide on all side by 7. So we get x to the power 6, taking this to the right side, minus 6x to the power 5 plus 5x to the power 4 equals to 0. Taking x to the power 4 common, we get x square minus 6x plus 5 equals to 0. So we have x to the power 4. This will be x minus 5 multiplied by x minus 1 equals to 0. So what are the possible values? We have possible values as x equals to 0, x equals to 1 and x equals to 5. So these are our possible solutions: x equals to 0, x equals to 1 and x equals to 5. And for the first part we have already shown that the b is equals to 21. So for more such questions, do visit our website www.iitnacademy.com and register for detailed solutions and explanation.